When Bruno asked me about the crisis, I first thought of the language and how we are lost in this concept and in this theme, and which is our reality as person, but as group, society, nationalities, nations, and world. And so I first thought about the loss of words and how we interpret and receive the words of the experts, the language of the politics, the language of the medias, and how us as theater people, we reuse, we feel, we have to share and to take part in this mess of language.
Alors moi,
I'm speaking
j'étais
French.
la plus
Doesn't
jeune.
mean anything. I need experts
la
for
plus
hypothesis.
gentille
I need experts
et
for
la plus
hypothesis.
sympa.
The text we use, first at the Windmill, it was a very summarized form of the interviews we made about the crisis, but I wanted to to contain it in a poem that was more rhythmic and rhythmologic than an explanation, because I think most of the people don't have a lot to say about the crisis except an explanation, like very technical, that just does not interest me for the artistic field. So we made this kind of poems together that were very rhythmic, and I had to play the rhythmic part. And then the two texts that were played, that were said on the cubes, were texts by Raoul Vaneigem, who is a Belgian writer who was famous in the 70s and who worked with the situationist Guy Debord. And I choose them because I think, and it's rare and it's not often that we find that, but I think that they are talking about reality in the world, and they are fighting against the capitalist system, very simply, but in a poetic form. And so the whole game for the actresses was to give their breath and to blow this text in the reality of their pullman against the wind.
C'est à peine si, prenant encore à la sauvette le temps de salir l'universel appétit de jouissance par un lucre de jouisseurs mercantiles, nous n'avons jamais connu qu'un monde absurde, courant d'apocalypse en apocalypse, dansant la gigue de l'agonie sur le contretemps du désir et de la vie. C'est pourquoi la souffrance, inscrite dans les fondations de l'histoire des hommes, est aussi gravée sur le front des nouveau-nés.
I decided to work with the reality of the place where we were, and so very quickly after the beginning of the workshop, I thought about the windmill on top of Artemonas Hill. So we had this universe, like this map of worlds and idea going around the mill. And around is a good expression because it's actually very circular, and we had to work with this shape. And it was all about lines, perspective, ruptures, and shapes, how you work with the cubes, the lines, and the horizon. And then it was kind of a game, like the way we rehearsed and the way we walked in the space was physically super hard, because for a very simple reason, because there is a reason why they put the windmill on top of the hill, because the wind is going very fast and very strong at this place especially. So we were yelling all the time, running all the time, because it was a huge space, and losing energy all over. So that was the rehearsing process. So we finished the day totally exhausted, but I think the fact of being exhausted was also part of the process itself.
The performance is going to happen at the windmill. We are going to go there all together, and I will ask you to remain silent on the way to the windmill.
The show began actually down at the cultural center, when we all had to make this procession in silence and to feel for real this simple fact of going from down to the top of the hill, maybe 10-minute walk. And then you arrive there and you have this landscape, and I wanted to work on the actual fact, the reality of going from one place to another in this space and what it means. There is also a very important thing in our process. It was to think about the crisis as a crisis of the substances and the distances, and how those two things are totally polluted now. And the financial crisis is just one example of how the whole world and the whole human being is in crisis. It's a very simple idea, just because the time and the space are abolished. You can cross the universe, the planet, in 6 hours and send an immediate text message or email that would just arrive in Tokyo or wherever. And so the performance tried to replace the human being at maybe a place that is more fair and to depollute the distance and the substance.
Viens, je suis là, je n'attends que toi, tout est possible, tout est permis. Viens, je suis là, je n'attends que toi, tout est possible, tout est permis.